Now, staying on football, former Jamaica Premier League contenders of Faulkland FC began their quest for a way back to the big league with a 3-0 win over Russia in the JFF Tier Two Play-offs at Jarrett Park on Wednesday. It took Faulkland 22 minutes to break the deadlock, Darnell Brissett getting the game's opener. The Westland champions fell further behind when Shanoy Anderson made it 2-0 in the Anderson returned 8 minutes from time to complete a double when he made it 3-0 for Faulkland to start Group D. They had Group D playoffs on a winning note.
To be honest, not going to downgrade any team. They gave us a shot at it, you know. But I think together as a team, Faulkland, we could have, you know, put away the game with at least 4 or 5 more goals, you know. But I'm not going to say it was an easy game, but it was well challenged.
Lack of preparation. So, yeah, and that caused the slip up on our team today. And we hope to bounce back from all this. We have a remainder of about 5 games left. So we just have to go back to the drawing board, prepare better, and come again and hope for the best.
Elsewhere in Group D, Lucy United beat Cooper's Spence 2-1 at Rossies High. Over in Group A at Cedar Grove Sports Complex, Cedar Grove and York United played out a 0-0 draw. Portlanders went down 2-0 to Axum in Group B at Lynch Park in Buff Bay, while Group C saw Mile Gully beat Vineyard 2-0 at the Mile Gully Community Center.